Hey everyone, welcome to NCTC's Home Improvement and Design segment. I am your host, Chrissy Jenkins. Today we are on location in this beautiful kitchen and we're going to talk about two things. One of the things is going to be a really pretty faux, you heard me, instead of live plants, we're going to go with faux fake flowers for a really pretty countertop or flower arrangement for even outside or inside. So let's get started. We're going to start with this beautiful, you could call this thing a couple things, I guess you could say. So the two things that we're going to talk about with this beautiful planter, number one, we can use this planter outside. We can fill it up with ice and we can put our waters and our drinks in here, or we can double duty it, like I like to say, and we can fill this full of flowers and even faux fox, whatever you want to call it, flowers. And so this season, I've been doing a lot of that. Instead of the new flowers and things like that, I've been going with the fake ones because I don't have to water them. You know, you just get tired of watering, and don't get me wrong, I do love the live flowers, but I've been just sort of giving a try with the faux flowers. So let's get started. So this little planter is going to be filled with beautiful green, luscious fake flowers. And so one thing I want to do first is I just took some paper as a filler. This is just Amazon boxing paper, and you can just lay it in here if you want to. And you don't have to use all of it. So I brought my trusty cutting scissors, I like to call them. I used to use these for cotton and things like that. And so we can just cut this around a little bit and use this paper as a filler. And this would actually be really good to help maintain the water if you were actually using real flowers. But the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to talk about this beautiful moss. Now this is a Hobby Lobby find. If you don't have any fake moss, grab you some. It's great for any type of filler, even with your live flowers as well. And let's start with this beautiful palm. This is fake, and this is a Hobby Lobby find. Us ladies, we love Hobby Lobby. I meant to say Hobby Lobby. All right, and then we're going to go with this beautiful fern plant. We're going to put it like so in there. And then we got this beautiful plant right here, and this is just full of the pink colors, and I'm just loving green and pinks this season. And I don't even know the name of this flower right here. It sort of reminds me of like mini elephant ears, but don't hold me to that, guys. But anyways, and so we're going to put the tallest one in the middle. And you know, you can just put these in here any which way you want, and it's still going to be beautiful either way. And it's just not hard, it's easy. I have friends say, well, how did you make that look so good? And I'm just like, it's easy, ladies or guys, just whatever. It's so easy and simple. And if you even have some pixie little lights that you can put on a timer and put batteries in them, I have them all over my house. I like those. You can set the timer for it to come on at dusty dark. Check this out. Look how fun that is. And this tray, it sort of reminds me of a seashell. It's got the scallops, and scallops is really trending these days, and it's just so beautiful and fun. And see, I love the moss. The moss is just a great buy. Ladies, if you're around Hobby Lobby or even Walmart here in Lafayette, might even have the moss. Honestly, I've never even looked. And see there, it's just in there just a little bit sideways, just to give a little to the planter. And then just take something fun that you have lying around the house. You can even take a necklace. I love beads and such like this. And we can just take this around this way and just do a little something like this. How beautiful is that? Okay. Okay, now let me clean up a little, and then I'm going to put it up here, and then I'll talk about the centerpiece being on the island and what color island this is. Look how beautiful this centerpiece turned out. And you know, y'all, I like to always use 1s, 3s, 5s, odd numbers for any type of greenery landscaping, flower arrangements, just whatever I'm doing. And so we did that here. It's all greens with a splash of pink. Who doesn't like pink? And so we're using this on this beautiful countertop. Check this out. We're in my mom's beautiful kitchen, and she just installed these beautiful quartz countertops from my favorite, Sumner Granite, Miss Carol, who is retiring. But anyways, let's still talk about her awesome work and how beautiful these countertops are. For those of you that are curious what color these are, they are Inferno Gray, quartz polished. Love them, love the edging. We're definitely going to miss you, Miss Carol, with Sumner Granite. Happy retirement. That's going to wrap up this month's edition of Home Improvement and Design. I'm your host, Chrissy Jenkins. Catch you next time. Bye, y'all.